Take my heart, don't break it. Yeah, shoutout guys on another tutorial to another song. So, foreign song muna tayo ngayon, no? Hindi tayo OPM. The title of the song is Stargazing by Miles Smith. Search nyo lang sa YouTube para marinig yung buong kanta. So, maganda rin talagang kanta. At syempre, 4 chords only for the entire song, guys. So, whole song na yan, 4 chords only. At pati yung strumming pattern ituro ko. So, start tayo kaagad. Chords muna. These are the chords. Please follow me, guys. 4 chords only for the entire song. So, basic A. A or A sus 2. So, remove lang itong pinakababa, no? Na, na. So, A or A sus 2. And the second chord, E. Basic na E. And then the third chord, guys, ay so 4th fret, C sharp minor. So, gonna B minor, pero dito sa 4th fret, okay? 4th fret, C sharp minor. And then the last chord ay B. So, this simple version, kaya ang strumming pattern, pati rin strumming pattern, simple version rin. So, strumming pattern ay down, 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 down. So, play natin na. Let's play. Down. So, A sus 2. E. Down, 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 down. Then sharp minor, down, down, down. Then B. So, down, 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 down. Down. So, yan ang strumming pattern. Down, 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 down. Kaya na bala mag-timing, ha. So, ulit play natin ang chorus part. Diretso tayo chorus part. Take my heart, don't break it. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. So, yan lang guys. 4 chords only. So, balik-balik lang yan. A, E, C minor, B, and strumming pattern, simple version rin. Down, 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 down lang. So, short video lang ito. Short tutorial lang ito kasi 4 chords lang naman. Balik lang. Search nyo lang, no? Stargazing by Miles Smith. Yan ang bala mag-timing rin sa strumming pattern. So, yan muna guys. Short video lang ito kasi 4 chords lang. Balik lang. So, bye-bye.